Hello dear friends, in this video tutorial we will cover the basic steps to get started with the CryptoRobotics terminal. The first step is to sign up. To do this, go to the CryptoRobotics website and click on the sign up button. In the terminal window that opens, we enter a name, an email and a password. Click on the check mark to accept the terms of the agreement and click on the Done button. Next, the terminal will ask for a confirmation code that is sent to your specified email address. To increase security, enable the two-factor authentication. You can find instructions via this link. For now, let's continue without the Google Authenticator. When you visit the terminal for the first time, you will be greeted by virtual assistant Rita, who will offer you to watch an overview of the terminal. All text and video instructions can be found in the Manuals section. The Manuals tab is located in the upper right corner of the terminal. The next step is to create an account on one of the exchanges available for connection to the terminal. You can see the complete list of exchanges in the Trade tab. Next, you need to connect the account created on the exchange to the terminal using the API key. To do this, go to the Account tab, then the Exchange Accounts. We select the required exchange and follow the detailed instructions from the knowledge base. There are instructions for all available exchanges. It should also be noted that to connect a Binance or Binance Futures Exchange account via API, you need to go through full verification on the exchange itself. Let's consider a situation when you already have an account on Binance or Binance Futures and you want to transfer USDT dollars to it. Go to the Binance exchange. In the top panel of the exchange, select the Wallet section and the Fiat and Spot. Next, we find the USDT coin in the list of cryptocurrencies and click on the Deposit button on the same line. We choose a network suitable for sending. For example, the Ethereum network or the Tron network. That is, you need to send USDT to this address, and they will be displayed on the balance within 15 minutes. If you want to use Binance Futures, then you need to transfer funds from the Spot wallet to the Futures wallet. To do this, select the Futures in the upper left menu. Then in the Asset panel, in the line with USDT, click Transfer. In the window that opens, you need to select the amount that will be transferred from the Spot wallet to the Futures wallet and click Confirm. The transferred assets will immediately appear in the USDT row in the balance column. Let's return to the terminal. Next, you can use a free basic package of functions or connect one of the Pro packages. You can also find detailed instructions for purchasing and connecting Pro packages in the corresponding sections of the manuals. So when you have a connected account of one of the exchanges and there are funds for trading on it, you can start manual or algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading in the CryptoRobotics terminal includes the functionality of trading robots, signal trading, auto-following, and copy trading. You can find additional information about the terminal and the company by going to our YouTube channel or Telegram channel, links to which will be under this video. That's all. This was a video tutorial on the basic steps to get started with the CryptoRobotics terminal. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.